Hello everyone, this is Awesome here. Today I'm going to show you how to get new stickers on TikTok. So stickers have been on TikTok for actually quite a while now. They've been on here for about like a few months. It was initially removed from Musical.ly about a year ago when they completely revamped the design to make it look like TikTok, and then they eventually changed it over to TikTok. So let's show you how to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the TikTok app and you're going to tap the plus. You're going to go record your video, do whatever. So I'm going to just choose a video that I've already recorded. Okay. Let's say it's, sorry, I'm going to mute the volume for copyright reasons. Let's say it's this one. What you're going to do is you're going to tap the video, you're going to tap next, and now you can add stickers to your videos. So you're going to tap stickers. You can you can do polls like here. There's like a lot of stickers. So you can also type text somewhere on the thing. So I'm going to write hello, and I'm going to choose a color that I like. Oh, who cares? But you can move it around. You can change the duration so it's only visible for part of it. For each of them, you can do this not with polls. You could also, so I'm going to go back into you have those effects once again, but you can choose balloons once again, have them float around somewhere on the screen. You can choose the duration once again. With text, you can choose the font as well. Yeah, handwriting, so hi, and you can move that somewhere on the screen. And yeah, you can also add emojis. So I'm going to go choose like a heart emoji right over here. I'm going to move it somewhere. Once again, I can rotate it, and if for some reason you messed up, you're like, oh, I did not want a heart emoji or whatever, tap the X and it goes away. Yeah, and then once you're done, you're gonna go upload your video. So yeah, cool stickers. And you're gonna tap post, and you'll be able to view the video on your profile. So let me show you what it looks like once it's all done uploading. See you when it's done uploading. Okay, you can see now it's done uploading. So I'm gonna go visit the thing. I can view the vote results, but what you would be able to do is you'd be able to tap yes or no. You'd be able to tap these buttons. I know this is just a draft. I'm just demonstrating the features. So you can view the votes result, how many people voted yes, how many people voted no. You can choose, you can also vote as well. So you can have a little poll, see what kind of videos you want to see more in the future. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please follow my TikTok account. Please follow my Instagram account. And I will see you next time.